everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to update AMS reference number to a job or shipment in Fresh application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresh application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Open the respective job or shipment. Now, we will be navigated to the shipment screen. Here we have to click on the edit button. In the edit shipment info page, we can see the AMS reference number column. There we have to provide the number. After providing the AMS reference number, click on the Save Changes button. Now, the AMS reference number will be added to the shipment screen. This is how to update AMS reference number to a job or shipment in Fresh application. Thanks for watching.